The influence of the addition of graphene loading on the conductivity and stability of biopolymer composite solid electrolyte. By Faujani MD, Saleh, Farzana Abd, Hamid and Noor Sabirin Mohammed. Aims to study the influence of the addition of graphene loading on the conductivity and stability of biopolymer composite solid electrolytes. Study design, solution casting technique using Sol gel method. Place and duration of study, Chemistry Research Laboratory, Level 2 Pasum Complex, Center for Foundation Studies in Science, Kuala Lumpur between June 2016 until December 2018. Methodology: these composites were synthesized by mixing of alpha cellulose with graphene flakes via the solution casting technique using Sol gel method. The addition of graphene into composite was varied between 10 weight% to 70 weight%. Results: the X-ray diffraction (XRD) patterns revealed at 60 weight% graphene loading. XRD patterns exhibited the decrease in intensity at peak 26 degree, indicating that graphene is more dispersed in the alpha cellulose mixture, and reduced the crystallinity properties of biopolymer composite solid electrolyte. Electrochemical impedance spectroscopy was used to determine the conductivity of the composite. Sample without the addition of graphene acts as an insulator with the lowest conductivity value of 1.77 into 10 square minus 7 s per centimeter. The highest conductivity achieved was 2.85 times 10 square minus 4 s per centimeter and observed at 60 weight% graphene content. Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy showed the absorption peaks of CO stretching vibrations of composite was weakened, and the hydroxyl group is slightly shifted compared to the one without the addition of graphene. This might relate to dehydration of cellulose. Thermogravimetric analysis was used to study the thermal stability and decomposition of composite. The derivative thermogravimetric curves showed two degradation peaks of composite. The first degradation peak, TP1, occurred between 70 to 110 degrees Celsius, while the second degradation peak, TP2, was between 250 to 400 degrees Celsius. TP2 peak of composite with 60 weight% and 70 weight% were at 300 degrees Celsius and 275 degrees Celsius, respectively. This suggested that 60 weight% graphene content has higher thermal stability compared to 70 weight%. Linear sweep voltammetry results showed that the electrochemical stability of composite solid electrolytes exhibited up to 3.2 V. Conclusion: biopolymer composite solid electrolyte with high conductivity was successfully prepared using an eco-friendly method. BMIMCl ionic liquids are favorable in dissolving alpha cellulose and aided graphene dispersion. An increase in graphene content has increased the conductivity of biopolymer composite provided that graphene is uniformly dispersed in a cellulose matrix. This research provided an eco-friendly method to prepare cellulose graphene biopolymer composite, which is useful in the energy field for future applications. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.